So for the seatbelt, there's a difference. This one I bought from eBay. This is the original one, but this is the left side seatbelt. And it was no good because with the conditions in Ontario, Canada, you can't have a frayed seatbelt. So I end up removing it, and this one's going on the right side since there's no seatbelt. The only kick is with these is this has a bolt hole right here, which is kind of shallow. And when you look at this, it's a bit different. It's not the same. So I'm gonna have to try and make this one work in place of the original right side seatbelt that I salvaged for the left side. And there's not too much difference with the connection of the seatbelt. So I'll see what I need to do. It also comes with a belt. So that will replace this. I got this bolt to thread. I had to bend this piece of metal and put it on an angle, but it actually fits. See how it's on an angle toward the front? I'm gonna zip tie this out of the way because this isn't needed, so I'll zip tie it likely here to this hole, and then it's out of the way. I'm going ahead and using the factory bolt and hardware off the original seatbelt because this bolt threads in too far into the A-pillar, and then this won't actuate. So make sure you use the original bolts and hardware. I had to replace the seatbelt buckle on the seat frame. I had to pull this plastic off, and now the seatbelt works.